Imagine you're stuck in morning traffic. You're looking at the skyscrapers, the parks, and the bustling streets of a major city. But 3 miles directly beneath your tires, the temperature is climbing to 1,200 degrees Celsius. A massive, pressurized chamber of molten rock is slowly breathing, pushing the pavement upward by a few millimeters every year. You aren't just living in a city, you're living on the lid of a pressure cooker. From Naples to Auckland, millions of people are waking up every day on top of sleeping giants. Volcanoes that don't look like mountains, but are very much alive.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Today, we're peeling back the asphalt to see what happens when a city is built on a ticking geological time bomb. When we think of volcanoes, we think of cones like Mount Fuji, but the most dangerous ones are often invisible. Take the Campi Flegrei in Italy. It's not a mountain, it's a caldera, a massive collapse feature that sits right under the city of Naples and the Bay of Pozzuoli. This giant is so big that 500,000 people live inside its crater without even realizing it. Scientists monitor this area using a phenomenon called Bradyseism. This is the ground literally inflating and deflating like a giant lawn. In the 1980s, the ground in the city of Pozzuoli rose by nearly 2 meters in just 2 years. That's the magma chamber filling up, stretching the city like a balloon. If the ground stretches too far, it cracks. And when it cracks, the sleeping giant wakes up. Then there's Auckland, New Zealand. This city is built on a monogenetic volcanic field. This means that instead of one big volcano, there are over 50 different vents scattered across the city. Every time it erupts, it picks a brand new spot. One day it's a peaceful hill in a park. The next time, it could be your neighborhood mall. The science here is a game of high-stakes hide-and-seek. Because the magma doesn't follow a set path, volcanologists have to use seismic sensors to listen for the crunching of rock as magma forces its way up. In a city environment, the challenge is filtering out the noise of subways and construction to hear the faint heartbeat of the magma. We are essentially using the city's own vibrations to find the giant moving beneath its feet. So why do we stay? Because these giants provide gifts along with the danger. The volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, and the heat from below can provide limitless geothermal energy. Cities like Reykjavik have mastered this, using the giant's breath to heat their homes and greenhouses. But the risk is always there. Scientists are now using Muon Tomography, a technique that uses cosmic rays from space to X-ray the plumbing systems of these urban volcanoes. We can see the magma pools forming in real time, giving us a weather forecast for eruptions. We've moved from fearing the giant to studying its every breath, trying to predict exactly when the whisper turns into a roar. Living on a volcano is the ultimate human paradox. We are drawn to the beauty and resources of the very thing that could destroy us. We've built our greatest civilizations on the most unstable ground on Earth, betting on science to give us a head start when the giant finally decides to open its eyes. If you found out there was a magma chamber cooling 5 miles beneath your home, would you move immediately, or would you stay for the view and the fertile garden? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.